First off, palm oil. Okay, the dirty part. Okay, scale it up. Palm oil we need 298, 299, doesn't matter. Close enough, it's good enough, okay? 1 gram out, so it's not too bad. Let me touch it, see how it feels. No smell, so it's pretty fine. We're going to tar it up as well. We're going to use the same ingredient. We're going to use coconut oil in here as well. We're going to melt it together. Okay, that's done. Move it out. Coconut oil, we need 255. 100, 255, perfect. Okay, next up we have Rice Bran Oil, which is 25%, 213. Oops, bit off. 214. It's alright, 1 gram. Next one, we're gonna use olive oil, 10%. So 85 grams, 85. Perfect. Bit of a mess. There. All done, all measured out. Next, of course, is water and lye. Okay. Gonna measure. Now, this one I'm gonna use something different. Okay. I'm gonna use the Aloevera that I have. This one here is the Aloevera that I have. Ice as well, so it's all good. Hopefully it's enough. Otherwise, we just change the ingredient a little bit. Ooh, plenty. 178 grams. We have 140 now. $184, doesn't matter. Good enough for me. So like that's your ice, Aloevera. You can use distilled water, but I don't want to use. I use Aloevera gel. Okay, leave it aside. When you do measuring lye or anything lye got to do with lye, make sure you wear safety gear. Okay, right now I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna wear it now. Okay, wear it now, please. This is when you are soaping right now, okay? So when you got to do with lye, respect, fully respect, okay? No mucking around. For this recipe, we need 118 grams. 118 grams. Perfection. Close the lid straight away, and we rock and roll. Okay, everything measured up. I don't need the scale anymore. Turn it off. Actually, I still need the scale, but I'm gonna need the to measure the fragrance. Okay, so that's all. Everything's done. Now let's make soap. Okay. First thing up, we're gonna melt this up first in the microwave. It's a messy ingredient. I can see why people don't like it. You use the pot to melt everything, but I think microwave is easiest. The less messiest. It's all messy, but the less messy. Mix the lye now. Okay. When it's ice like this, it's easier to mix. Okay. Right now the temperature is probably around 25 degrees Celsius. Let me check for you. Always handy. The thermometer. 30 degrees. Okay. That's alright. I pour the lye in too much. That's why. But it's not like dramatic. Let's go up like to 70 degrees straight away. So it's very manageable. It's burned the little bit burn, but that's alright. It's normal. 32 degrees. It's getting hotter. That's alright. Keep blending. Make sure all the lye dissolve. 32, 35, 36. Ooh, it's cooking. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, don't touch it. Okay, get the oil out. This is my mixing bowl. Leave it there. Has not fully melted yet. So let's check the temperature. 62 degrees. Okay, so it's hotish. Messy oil to work with, eh? Palm. Messy oil to work with. That's right, we'll melt everything in. That will do. Check the temperature again. 58. Okay, doesn't matter. The liquid temperature is 24. So when you mix the two things together, it should come around 30-ish. Okay, so that's perfect for soaping. Now I'm going to mix it in. Liquid oil. Let's check the temperature. 43, which is close to perfect. 41, 43, okay? So when I stir a little bit like this, it should cool down straight away. So it should be in the right temperature, 37 degrees soon. So I'll leave it like that. If I mix in the clay here, okay, I mix in the clay, it will cool down a little bit more, okay? So very clumpy, the white Kaolin clay. 41. Let's check the temperature here. 33. Combine the two, which should be alright. Okay, gonna get my stick blender ready. Mix everything together, and we stir. Okay. Before we do that, I'm gonna measure up my essential oil. Let me do that. Otherwise, I might forget. Okay. So how much do we need altogether? 25 grams, not much. 25 grams essential oil. How come it's always happened to me like this? No, don't panic. Important thing is don't panic, okay? When you do this, when you're making soap, don't panic. Exchange to a different bowl, okay? Easy solution, right? A glass, different glass. Maybe it's too light, this one. Tar it up. Now it's measuring. Probably too light. This is too light. Smell wonderful. Take ages to get out. Too precious. That doesn't want to come out. 20 grams, 21, nearly there, and it's shut off. Oh, just in time. Doesn't matter. You want to cover the oil straight away, right? You don't want it to evaporate out. Okay. Too precious, this stuff. Okay. Let me leave it here. Now I'm going to get the my mixing station ready. We're going to mix everything in. Okay. We're going to make soap. Okay. Let me move you guys around. I'm going to mix in this oil with the clay first. Okay. Okay, that will do. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. Okay, we're gonna mix the lye solution to the fat here. Let me check the temperature. Okay, the fat 31, lye 31. Okay, so we're getting colder. We better do it fast. Okay. pulp out. Okay, let's mix. So it's 31 degrees, okay, 31 degrees. Okay, don't want to blend too much. We're going to add in our essential oil. Okay, essential oil. Plus our indigo powder here as well. So let me shake this up. I only use 1/2 of this, okay? I don't want to use too much. Let me get a spoon. Because last time I used too much, and the color turned out quite strong. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, start with 3. Let's see what happened. Okay, 3 teaspoons. Let's see if it's how it turned out. Have light blue. No good there. Probably 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Still not much. No effect. 1, 2, 3. So that's the trick, right? Don't go overboard. Let me clean this up. Let's make a mess here. I've got the light trace already. Gotta move fast, guys. Gotta move everything in. Okay. Put everything in. Essential oil, go in. Okay, better pour out, otherwise I'll get a stick. Otherwise I will have a stick, batter on the stick. Okay, let me move you guys back. Yeah, it's quite blue. Okay, so that's the consistency that we want. Okay, I've got to pour it out now, otherwise I'll get it become messy. Put this down first. From experience, it's gonna spill out. Go here so this guy can see. Working left hand for you guys, okay? So I have to move. Right hand, I'm right-handed. Gotta move fast, otherwise I'll get a soap on a stick. Nearly there, sorry guys. Okay. Let's do some decoration. Get another spoon. The mountain is not good. Okay, I think that would do. Clean up a little bit. Okay, that's it, guys. Gonna gel this. Put it into my SG to gel overnight with the Rice Bran Oil. It's accelerated trace really fast, so could not do anything else. Just color. So the blue, indigo blue. I like it. I think it's come out quite alright. So I expect a very light color, not like the dark color that I had before. Yeah, so I'll do another video with the cutting part. Otherwise, get this video getting too long. I'll see you next time with another video. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, bye.